belongs to those who believe in the beauty of dreams. Dreams don't work unless you do. Every great achievement begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach the star to change the world. Today, Base College is presenting the set of achievers. Yes, they dreamt it, they chased their dream, and they accomplished it. Seasonal greeting to one and all. My name is Shweta, Faculty of English, host of the day. Much privileged to stand before you and extend profound wishes. I welcome each and every one of you to the grand event Manyata 2020, the Achievers Meet. Indeed, it is a very momentous event, specially dedicated to our students who are very talented and diverse who will be receiving their award and recognition. Let's begin the landmark event by invoking the Almighty. May I now invite Manasa Mukund and Kavya Chandra Mauli to invoke the Almighty.
ಪಾಲಿಸೆಯನ್ನ ಮುತ್ತು ಶಾರದೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬಾರದೆ ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯೇ ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯೇ ನಿರುತ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸೆಯನ್ನ ಮುತ್ತು ಶಾರದೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲೂ ವಿವೇಕವ ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಕ್ಷಿಯೊಳಿರೇಳು ಲೋಕವ ಅಕ್ಷರಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲೂ ವಿವೇಕವ ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಕ್ಷಿಯೊಳಿರೇಳು ಲೋಕವ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪದಿಂದ ಒಲಿದು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಸ್ವರೂಪದಿಂದ ಒಲಿದು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾಯೆ ಶಾರದೆ 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 ಶೃಂಗೇರಿಪುರದ ನಿವಾಸಿನಿ ತಾಯಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಗಾನ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ಗರಿಸ ನಿಸ ಗರಿಸ ನಿನಿ ಸ ಸ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಮ ಪ ಗರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಪ ಸಾ ನಿ ಗ ಪ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ಶೃಂಗೇರಿಪುರದ ನಿವಾಸಿನಿ ತಾಯಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಗಾನ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ ಮಂಗಳಾಂಗಳೆ ತಾಯೇ ಮಂಗಳಾಂಗಳೆ ತಾಯೇ ಭಳಿರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ರಾಣಿ ಮಂಗಳಾಂಗಳೆ ತಾಯೇ ಭಳಿರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ರಾಣಿ ಪಾಲಿಸೆಯನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದು ಶಾರದೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಬಾರದೆ ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯೇ ಲೋಲಲೋಚನೆ ತಾಯೇ ನಿರುತ ನಂಬಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸೆಯನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದು ಶಾರದೆ.
Thank you girls, that was just wonderful. No function is successful until we have a good spectators. To give a red carpet to all of you for giving us the gift of your presence and to present Base academic report of the year 2019 and 20, may I take the pleasure of requesting a passionate teacher and a dynamic leader, none other than our beloved Principal Mrs. Sangeeta Srinidhi.
Live every day as if it is a festival. Turn your life into a celebration. Warm greetings to all students and parents of Baseview College, Mysuru. Let us celebrate the legacy of Baseview College, Mysuru, which has come a long way with just 162 students in the first year, that is in 2017-18, to more than 650 students in the current academic year. The academic excellence has been the mantra of Baseview College since its inception. At the outset, let me welcome the first PU students to our system and hope they are enjoying the online classes. The second year students who are comparatively senior must be waiting to attend the offline classes. I hope they are inspired by their predecessor and continue the tradition of winning accolades for us. We consciously encourage extracurricular, cultural activities and sports for our students to develop their overall personality. Our students have participated and won in various district, state, national level sports, quiz and other competitions. Various activities like Freshers Day, Talents Day, Science Club activities, Kala Sinchana, Ethnic Day, Sports Day, Annual Day are all conducted regularly. We have a dedicated team of teachers who are ever ready to help the students with their doubts. We expect the students to be focused and goal-oriented. All students are trained to take up board exams as well as highly competitive examinations head-on through our time-tested testing methodology and exhaustive materials. Support for KVPY through online classes and mock tests are also provided by us. The reflection of our overall success is in the results that we have secured in the last 2 years. Students from Baseview College, Mysuru have embarked on successful career paths through institutions like IITs, IISc, NIT, ISER and successful premier medical colleges like AIIMS, JIPMER, BMC, MFC to just name a few. The COVID pandemic has not disrupted their determination and they have kept their composure and achieved laurels for themselves and for the college. Academic achievers have always been recognized and rewarded by us. We introduced Manyata in the year 2019, which is a felicitation program where we expressed our appreciation towards the academic achievers of Baseview College. In the academic year 2019, we felicitated about 58 students who made us proud through their achievements. Other than rewarding students with the certificates and mementos, we have also instituted the endowment prizes, where cash prizes are awarded to the achievers in the examinations. We are excited to announce the E-Manyata 2020, wherein 89 achievers who have accomplished greater heights in the academic year 2019-20 will be honored and felicitated. Performances in JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, PU Board, KCET, KVPY, NTSE and other Olympiad will be recognized and awarded in this event. I am proud to announce that we have secured 100% results in the PU Board examination. Also, about 30 students from NEET have all got into esteemed medical colleges, and out of 60 JEE Main aspirants, 13 of them have secured JEE Advanced tracks. Let us congratulate the achievers and wish them the very best for all their future endeavors. We are indebted to the management of BASE for their continuous support, without which we could not have achieved this feat. We owe to grow more and prosper with guidance. Life should be a continuous celebration, a festival of life, the whole year round. Only then can you grow and blossom. Thank you.
Wow, that was breathtaking, isn't it? So many achievers, such a large bundle of achievers. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's kickstart the moment of felicitating those achievers. To begin with, may I now request our academic mentor, Mrs. Swani, to read out the names of the achievers in the stream of IIT.
Today we've all gathered here to celebrate the success and triumph of our students who truly believe that success does not come from what they do occasionally, it comes from what they do consistently. Friends, this is the momentous moment we've all been waiting for to see our students reap the rich dividends for the efforts put by them. They have shown us that success is a series of small wins. Track these small wins to achieve big accomplishments. It's indeed a very proud moment for all of us at Base PU College, Mysore to present the achievements of our achievers. Amog Umesh has secured an All India rank of 1582 in JEE Advanced, 658th rank in JEE Mains, 192nd rank in CET, 1144th rank in KVPY SX exam. Chirag NL has secured 2744th rank in JEE Advanced, 6677th rank in JEE Mains, 490th rank in CET, and has qualified in IAPT Chemistry Olympiad. Siddharth K. Ramesh has secured a category rank of 3155 in JEE Advanced, 14,090th rank in JEE Mains. Chinmay Sharma has secured 4,700th rank in JEE Advanced, 7,309th rank in JEE Mains, 463rd rank in CET. Satvik Aravali has secured 6,458th rank in JEE Advanced, 3,671st rank in JEE Mains, 91st rank in CET, so scored a centum in Sanskrit and secured 98.17% in PU Board. Pranav RS secured 6,563rd rank in JEE Advanced, 6,771st rank in JEE Mains, 191st rank in CET, and secured a centum in Physics. Darshan HR has secured a category rank of 6,983rd in JEE Advanced, 7,970th rank in JEE Mains, 515th rank in CET, a centum in Mathematics, and secured 27,553rd rank in NEET. Harshil YS is secured 12,614th rank in JEE Advanced, 37,572nd rank in JEE Mains, 541st rank in CET, and secured a centum in Chemistry. Vinayak Vatsalya J has secured 14,450th rank in JEE Advanced, 5,075th rank in JEE Mains, 1,168th rank in CET. Amal Nambudiri has secured a rank of 19,565th in JEE Advanced, 22,026th rank in JEE Mains, 4,016th rank in CET. Apurva S has secured 20,200th rank in JEE Advanced, 11,904th rank in JEE Mains, 361st rank in CET. She has secured a centum in Mathematics and scored 95.83% in PU Board. Kushi PS has secured 21,030th rank in JEE Advanced, 54,230th rank in JEE Mains, 256th rank in CET. Saraswati Bhavadarani has secured 26,103rd rank in JEE Advanced, 54,335th rank in JEE Mains, 1,397th rank in CET, and has secured 96.33% in PU Board. Bhumika Arun Balamati has secured 357th rank in IIT Mains second paper, first rank in NATA, and secured a centum in Mathematics. Prajwal P has secured a category rank of 449 in JEE Mains and 8,846th rank in CET. Srujan K. Humbad has secured a category rank of 1,568 in JEE Mains and 869th rank in CET. Sudanshu Bharadwaj has secured 2,188th rank in JEE Mains, 57th rank in KVPY SX exam, centum in Chemistry. He has qualified in IAPT Physics and Chemistry, and he is also qualified in PRMO. Ananya MS has secured a category rank of 4,327 in JEE Mains. Azim Mohammed P has secured a category rank of 7,319 in JEE Mains and 963rd rank in CET. Prajwal S has secured a category rank of 9,179 in JEE Mains and 3,732 rank in CET. Rohan Achar V has secured a category rank of 9,746 in JEE Mains and 4,806 in CET. Santosh Ramayar has secured 9,921 rank in JEE Mains. Nakul UD has secured a category rank of 13,762 in JEE Mains and 6,324 in CET. Shreyas P has secured a category rank of 18,408 in JEE Mains and 8,426 rank in CET. Thank you.
When I joined BASE 2 years ago, I didn't have much idea of JEE questions, the pattern of questions. But through BASE monthly tests, JEE Mains and Advanced Test, weekly tests, the level of those tests was higher than the JEE level. So now we see the JEE questions, we feel very confident about solving them. And BASE has provided us with a lot of support. They have given us extra papers, and then those papers contained tricky questions which gave us confidence with the simple ones. And overall it helped us to perform in JEE Mains.
Santosh joined the BASE FSNT program in his 8th standard. The schedule was a little hectic and my wife and I had to coordinate quite a bit. Over the year, he did pretty well in his studies. We gave Santosh a break in his 9th standard and he rejoined the BASE FSNT program in his 10th and continued thereafter with his PU at BASE itself.
He would wake up every day at 5 a.m. He would have a cup of Bonvita and then start studying. We set timetables for him and kept tabs almost on a daily basis. He would take breaks after he met his study targets or when he just got tired. Sometimes he would take really long breaks and we had to remind him. Yes, we would have fights, but we were lucky that he realized it was for his own good.
Santosh attended almost all his regular tests and we pushed him to learn the full solutions within the following week. The answers from the teachers was almost immediately available and this went well with his schedule. The material from BASE was quite a lot and took about 80% of his time. He did not really have time for other books. The biggest thing that helped Santosh was the series of JEE Main chapter-wise revision papers that was given during November-December. He went through these in a thorough fashion and did well in his JEE Mains. Santosh really appreciates how his teachers helped him. When he went to clarify doubts, they gave him pointers and they also gave him many other similar problems. So he worked on these and understood the concepts very well. Santosh has now joined NIT Surathkal and has started his online studies. The PU phase is a partnership phase and is a time to build understanding with a child so that you can reach your common goal.
ಕನಸು ತುಂಬಿದ ಕಣ್ಣು, ಮಧುರ ಭಾವನೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಉದುರಿದಂತೆ ಹೊರಡುವ ಮಾತುಗಳು, ಅದೇ ಅನುಭವಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈಗ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ನಾಯಕರು, ಉದ್ಯಮಶೀಲರು, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಚಿಂತಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಲು ಗಮನಹರಿಸುವ ದೃಢಶೀಲರೂ ಆದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರು ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಆದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿಯವರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the achievers of Manyata at Base PU College, Mysore. This is the second edition of Manyata, the felicitation for the achievers at Base PU College, Mysore. I still remember the last year's felicitation program which we had in grand auditorium at Kala Mandir, and all the achievers were felicitated by dignitaries like Honorable Member of Parliament of Mysore and Coorg Shri Pratap Simha, Shri Manu Sale, CEO of Mercedes-Benz Research and Development Division, Dr. H.S. Nagaraj, the founder of BASE. Thanks to the pandemic, we are not able to invite you under one roof and be part of your joy and success. Nevertheless, I congratulate all the achievers of Base PU College, Mysore, and it is really commendable. Under stressing times, you have put in your best efforts, best foot forward, and achieved and brought the glory and laurel to your institution and your parents. So please accept my wholehearted congratulations. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the team Base Mysore and Base PU College, Mysore for their commitment and dedication to see that our students will all come out with flying colors. I congratulate the principal, Srimati Sangeeta Srinidhi, the academic head of Mysore Center, Srimati Sayeda Gauhar, and the academic coordinator, Dr. Gurraj, Professor of Chemistry at Base PU College, Mysore, for their continuous efforts to ensure that during the pandemic, during the lockdown, students did not lose their focus. They kept on motivating them, guiding them, helping them, counseling them, so that they all do well. And I must say, you have made us proud, and definitely you have not let us down. The kind of results we have got this year from Mysore is commendable, and I'm sure this is just a beginning, and in the coming years we'll see more and more success stories coming out of Base PU College, Mysore. I wish all the best for all the achievers. All of you have already completed your admission formalities, and some of you have already joined your campuses for the undergrad program, and some of you are still waiting to go to the campus. I'm sure online classes have started for many of you. So I wish you all the best for your journey, your undergraduates, your postgraduate programs, and you will be a proud citizen of India, or I can say, a proud global citizen and a Base student for Base alumni forever. I also congratulate the entire faculty and non-academic team of Base Mysore and Base PU College, Mysore for your constant support to make Base as the most preferred institute and Base PU College as the most preferred college in Mysore and surrounding areas. I have no doubt, no hesitation to say that in the coming years, the Base PU College will be the most preferred destination for any student of Mysore who is aspiring for a good academic career to get into premier institutions in the areas of engineering and medicine and pure sciences. I wish you all the best, and congratulations once again to the achievers and Base Mysore and Base PU College, Mysore team. I also wish the current second year batch all the best for their ensuing exams. I know you have just started attending the classes as per the government's permission. For all these months you were out of touch with the campus, not definitely with our studies. BASE has been one of the best online training centers among the peer, and we keep getting very good feedback and encouragement from students and parents about efficacy of our online teaching. However, now since government has allowed all of you to come and start attending the physical classes, so kindly make use of this available short time to interact with your teachers, so that your batch, that is the batch of 2021, which is in second year, should perform much better than the achievers of Manyata 2. So I wish you all the best for your exams. I also wish all the best for the first year students. After your admission, you are eagerly waiting for attending the classes. I'm sure government will also permit you soon. I also wish all the best for the foundation students for your board exams as well as your competitive exams, including NTSC, which is scheduled this month. So all the best, and stay focused, don't digress, make the available short time best use of it, so that you will all do well in your examinations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful words of wisdom. May I now request Mr. Sandhi, Faculty of Physics, to read out the names of the achievers in the stream of NEET and CET.
Success is not a matter of luck, but a matter of hard work and motivation. I am happy to announce the next set of students who have achieved great heights in boards and competitive exams due to their consistent efforts and of course divine grace. Anusha K, CET ranking 606. Medha Hebar, CET ranking 947. Akanksha Patak, overall PUC 97.5, centum in math. Prakriti, overall PUC 95%. Anagha Gururaj, overall PUC 97%. Anagha V, overall PUC 96.67, centum in maths. Indra Tej, overall PUC 96.33 and a centum in maths. Manu Shrestha, overall PUC 96% and a centum in math. Sandeep, overall PUC 96%, a centum in math. Amit Bharadwaj, overall PUC 95% and a centum in math. Sameet Jain has got a centum in physics. Hemant D has scored centum in 2 subjects, physics and maths. Raksha R, centum in maths. Ranjita, centum in maths. Adya Sujit, centum in maths. Rohan, centum in maths. Chiran, centum in maths. Reshma, centum in maths. Syed Walid Ghani, centum in maths. Aditya Aran, centum in maths. Aditya S, centum in maths. Kirtana R, centum in computer science. Moving on, Sanjana K has got overall NEET ranking in All India level 128. She has scored centum in maths and her CET ranking is 52, BNYS rank 2nd rank, Agriculture rank 2nd rank, VET rank 3, B Pharma 5, D Pharma 5, KVPY 651. Mohammad Muaz Iqbal, overall NEET ranking 3789, CET ranking 1037, BNYS 451, Agri ranking 358, VET rank 224, B Pharma 368, D Pharma 368, KVPY 1384. Swati K. Aitar, overall NEET ranking 7779, CET ranking 2975, BNYS 496, Agri ranking 920, VET 436, B Pharma 785, D Pharma 785. Shruti K. Aitar, overall NEET ranking 11555, CET ranking 3478, BNYS 1054, Agri ranking 1519, VET ranking 679, B Pharma 1125, D Pharma 1125. Abora Bhagesh, overall NEET ranking 14355. Her board percentage is 97.17. She has scored centum in math. CET ranking is 916. BNYS 147. Agri ranking 202. Veterinary rank 196. B Pharma 334. D Pharma 334. Ritu Prakash, overall NEET ranking 45056. Her board percentage is 95.83. Anusha M, category ranking in NEET is 2195. IIT main category ranking 2570. Shashank V. Simha has secured a NEET category rank of 1005. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Abora. I was a student of BASE FSNT from 8th and I also completed my 11th and 12th from BASE PU College. This year 2020 has been challenging for all of us. Nevertheless, challenges only make us stronger. I was immensely happy that I scored 613 in NEET and also got a government seat in JSS Medical College. I was mainly focused on NEET, but BASE also provided me modules and stuff so that I could clear the other exams also, and I really did well in CET. I got 916 rank and my boards also went pretty good. I had got 97%. Now, according to my experience, my feedback to you students would be, to start early. The 8th, 9th and 10th FSNT classes were really helpful. It laid the foundation for the competitive exams which you are going to, face ahead. And it was very innovative also. Like the way they used to teach us there was very different from school. It was more of application based, which you really needed now. And every year BASE also conducted a Funda Champs quiz, and students from all the centers used to come, and we used to interact with other students of other centers, and they used to make us do different kind of experiments, quizzes, so that was really fun. I feel self-motivation is really important, but BASE gives you that extra push you need to achieve all your goals. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Adya Sajit. I secured a rank of 4,942 in KCET and 93.66% in my board examination. I find myself immensely lucky and fortunate enough to be a part of BASE. The course that I opted mainly focused on board examination and KCET. The faculty and department in BASE leaves no stones unturned when it comes to quality of education. My life in BASE for 2 years gave me this wonderful experience of prolific exposure into the world of science and technology. My great respect, love and devotion to all my teachers and mentors in BASE, who were always very supportive and very much approachable, especially during the phase where the exam dates were very unpredictable. I also believe that the peer group that I was introduced to in BASE were very competitive, and that made me strive even harder. I gained much more than what I had anticipated, and all thanks to BASE for making that happen.
Hello, I'm Shruti K. Aitar. I studied in BASE for 2 years for my first and second PU. I joined BASE to pursue medicine, and starting from the first day till the end, BASE helped me a lot to achieve whatever I wanted to achieve. The modules and the tests given helped me improve my performance. The teachers guided me and were always available to clarify all my doubts. The college also has a wonderful library where you get all the necessary books. So with the support of BASE, I scored 620 and secured an All India rank of 11,555 in NEET 2020. And I've now got admission to Mandya Institute of Medical Science. Thank you. Hello, I'm Swatika Aital. I studied in BASE BA College for my PUC. I was in the Medical Excel batch and was always aspiring to become a doctor. With the help and support of my teachers and a bit of my effort and hard work, I was able to score 632 marks in the NEET exam and secure a rank of 7,779 this year. I also got admission to Mysore Medical College. Talking about my experience at BASE, it was simply amazing. The college provides a very nice atmosphere for the students to be focused and to work hard towards achieving their goals. They do this by giving repetitive tests. There's also something called consolidation, which is given once in every 3 months. And by taking all these practice papers, it helped me improve my performance. The teachers are all very good and experienced. They teach us really well. They were always there to help me clarify my doubts whenever I had them. So in the end, I would like to thank all the teachers in the college for helping me achieve whatever I wanted to achieve. Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಥಮ ವರ್ಷದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ರಸಾಯನಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ರವರು.
Success is not for those who run fast, but it is for who keep running and always on move. Every small step of your life is very much important to reach your destination. May I now read out the name of the students who is in the journey of success. To begin with, I would like to read upon Himant P. He has secured All India 6-9 rank in the KVPY SA examination. He has also qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Aniket Bhatt, he has secured All India 159 rank in KVPY SA examination. He has also qualified in NTSC Stage 2 and PRNO examinations. Dhanya Kumar, he has secured 603 rank in KVPY SA and he also qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Arvind S, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 and PRNO examinations. Kaushik S. Nandan, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 and PRNO examination. Madhav Ram, he has qualified in PRNO examination. Varun Bharadwaj, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 and PRNO examination. Yes, Supriya, she has qualified in PRNO examination. Arshan Hussain, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Sanjeet Iyer, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Satvik Gowda T, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Vaibhav D, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 2 examination. Adarsha MS, he has secured 97.33% in first year PU board examination. Anaga MN, she has secured 97.33% in first year PU board examination. Rajashri Varadaraj, she has secured 97.33%. Sharika R, she has secured 97.33% in first year PU board examination. Tanvi R, she has qualified NTSC Stage 1 examination. Monish Sukadare, he has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. Arushi Biswas, she has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. Lalitya Govardhan, she has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. Amina Kulsum, she has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. Shrikanya Yam, she has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. HS, she has qualified in NTSC Stage 1 examination. Akanksh CJ, he has qualified NTSC Stage 1 examination. Yuvarajit HP, he has qualified NTSC Stage 1 examination. Congratulations for all the achievers. Thank you, Onita.
Hello everyone, I am Anush Testabiel from Base PU College, Mysuru. I studied under Pre-Uni Plus program. I got 96% in boards as well as 4 to 7.5 ranking in KCT. All credits goes to my parents and teachers whose friendly nature has helped me a lot through these years. My teachers were very helpful, they were very dedicated and they never hesitated to clarify any of our doubts or to take any special classes upon a request. I'd also like to thank the non-teaching staff of BASE for supporting us all through these years. Advantageous aspect of studying at BASE was the healthy and challenging academic nature. We were given regular tests and exams which were very apt and they were very similar to what we have written for real. So it was very nice to study at BASE PU College, and all this organized schedule has helped us a lot through these academic years. I'd once again like to thank each and everyone at BASE for making our journey successful. Thank you.
We have now reached the special segment of our program, just like a cream on a cake, the Endowment Award. May I now request Mr. Sandesh, Faculty of Mathematics, to read out the names of the student who has earned the Endowment Awards with their hard work and dedication.
Good evening, one and all. I am proud to present the most prestigious awards, the Endowment Awards, to the best of achievers. As Swami Vivekananda said, infinite patience, infinite purity, and infinite perseverance are the secrets of success in a good cause. These special endowment prizes are instituted by our academic fraternity to encourage and appreciate the following meritorious students of Base PU College, Mysuru. As a tribute to one of our best teachers and an intellect, late Dr. H.S. Subramaniam, fondly called as HSS Sir, we have HSS Memorial Academic Achievement Award, instituted by Mr. Vallej. Dr. HSS was a great mentor and a passionate physics teacher who used to guide our IIT students. I would like to call out the names of the students who have topped the second PUC board exam 2019-20. Sanjana K, topper of second PU board exam and also secured All India rank 128 in NEET exam. Amol Umesh, topper scorer in JEE, who has scored meritorious All India rank in mains 658 and in advance 1582, and his percentile is 99.9492. Next up, again we have Dr. H.S. Subramaniam Award for securing highest in physics in the board examination instituted by our principal Mrs. Sangeeta Srinidhi in fond memory of her father, who was an outstanding teacher of physics. Now, let me read out the names of the students who have scored centums in physics and earned Dr. HSS Award. Samed C. Jain, Hemant D. and Pranav R.S. Proceeding to the next Endowment Award, Narayan Hegde Memorial Endowment Award, instituted by Dr. S.N. Hegde, Faculty of Biology, Base College, Mysuru, former professor and chairman of zoology at University of Mysuru. This award will be received by Sanjana K, top scorer in NEET exam. Up next, we have Dr. Govindappa D. Arekal Endowment Award, instituted by Dr. C.R. Nagendran, Faculty of Biology, Base College, Mysuru, retired professor of University of Mysuru. The receivers of this award are Sanjana K, Apurva S, and Indratej YT, each of whom have secured 99 in biology in second PU board exam. To equate all the above, we have Dr. Mehboob Piran Endowment Award instituted by Dr. Shashikala N. Dr. Mehboob Piran is a well-known academician and administrator, has more than 3 decades of teaching experience in chemistry. Let me read out the names: Sudhanshu Bharadwaj and Harshil YS, who have scored centums in chemistry in the 2nd PU board exam. I congratulate all the prize winners who have made us proud for being a part of Base PU College, Mysuru. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soumya, Amok Umesh's mother. Amok's journey in BASE started from class 8 FSNT program, and it is indeed a remarkable and a memorable journey of 5 years. BASE has made a huge impact not only in his academics but also in every walks of his life. The confidence, the determination and the excellence instilled in him by BASE is priceless. They brought out the hidden potential in him. So it helped him to come out of his shell and achieve his dreams of becoming an NTSE scholar and a KVPY scholar. He has secured 99.949 percentile in JEE mains and with an all India rank of 658. He has secured 1582 all India rank in JEE advanced, Karnataka CET rank of 192, 95 in Comet K and PESET, and a BITSAT score of 388. The classes were conducted regularly and the students were evaluated with regular weekly tests, including both the board as well as the competitive exams. The practice papers given were of so much of help to the students that they could, it helped them to face any exams with confidence. All the faculty in BASE, in both the teaching as well as the non-teaching faculty, were very cordial and approachable. So we could approach them even at very odd hours, and they were very cordial in answering our queries. They not only took care of the academics of children, but also the smaller and the finer details, especially in filling up the application forms, or be it reminding the last dates for uploading the applications, or the announcement of various competitive exams, etc. The care, the concern and the warmth provided by the BASE family is unforgettable. I genuinely appreciate the motivation, the guidance and the support provided by BASE in nurturing my son's future. Gratitude remains in our heart forever. Thank you.
Hi, BASE PU College, Mysore was phenomenal in imparting value-based education to my daughter Sanjana K. It provided a firm foundation with quality education, preparing her well to excel in all competitive exams. The thoughtfully designed integrated academic program, committed and knowledgeable faculty, and helpful environment were all critical in shaping her dreams and giving wings to them. I wish BASE all the best in its future endeavors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Purnima. I am very happy and proud to say that my son Sudhanshu Bharadwaj studied at BASE PU College, Mysore. Right now, Sudhanshu is studying at his dream college, Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. It is BASE which helped him to realize his dream. BASE has given him the coaching, the guidance, motivation and all the support required. My son used to say that in BASE, students could freely meet and talk with faculty and that they had an excellent learning environment. The lecturers were very friendly and were giving individual attention to students. My son received separate coaching for KVPY exam in BASE. Sometimes the lecturers went out of their way to help my son and other students. The principal was very understanding and helpful. The mentor was very supportive. All the non-teaching staff were cooperative with students as well as parents. So at this opportunity, I would like to thank everyone at BASE Mysore who helped in shaping our children's future. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Pranav and I'm studying at BASE PU College from past 2 years. In these 2 years program, teachers have helped me in every step of the whole program, and from the beginning we had concept clarity, and we were very comfortable with teachers, so we could approach them anytime, and if we had some doubt clearance, the teachers would stay back even after college hours and to help us. And also teachers suggested us what materials to solve and all. They taught us new approach to different problems, gave an exposure to different kinds of problems also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's nice to see students receiving their award for their accomplishment, isn't it? For all those who have received the honors, awards and recognition, I say well done. And others, I say you too can be an achiever if you are at base. Let us conclude the landmark event. Gratitude is a divine emotion. It fills heart and brings the warmth. To fill your heart with warmth, may I now invite our Faculty of English, Mrs. Reshma, to render the vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. It's an honor to have been asked to extend a vote of thanks on this occasion on behalf of BASE Mysore. As we express our gratitude, we must remember that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. I will begin by expressing my gratitude towards the pillars of foundation of our prestigious institution, Sri Nagaraja Sir and Valish Sir. Without their constant support and encouragement, the milestones could not have been accomplished. I would believe that words are not enough to thank our CEO, Sri Anand Kumar Kulkarni, who graced us with his thought-provoking words that filled us with enthusiasm as ever. Next, I would like to extend my wholehearted gratitude to our IIT Program Head, Sri Sonar, our Medical Excellence Program Head, Srimati Lakshmi Murthy, our PUCET Program Head, Sri Uma Shankar, for their constant motivation and high benchmark they have set for ourselves, and never say die attitude help us to excel in all endeavors. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Srimati Sangeeta Srinidhi, for all words of wisdom and consistent efforts which radiated a source of energy within us. With a deep sense of appreciation, I extend my vote of thanks towards our dedicated teachers for their untiring efforts in helping us to achieve the excellent academic achievements that we witness today. Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents. Hence, our special thanks goes to our parents, whose unconditional love and support is the reason for the success of our institution. We look forward to same in future. I also thank and congratulate all our beloved students, the very essence and pride of our institution, for all their hard work and dedication. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a motivated and talented technical team and digital team from BASE Bangalore. A special thanks to them. I would like to thank the program team, academic and non-academic staff for being the soul and mind behind this virtual event and making it a huge success in reality. Once again, I thank each and everyone for their involvement, for showing willingness for completion of this event during the time of pandemic. Thank you one and all. Thank you.